Song is to, like, for all the single mothers out there, even if you're not a single mother, you know, it's just the struggles of where the females have to go through on a daily basis. Select a DJ, yeah, drop the rhythm for me. Trying to make ends meet just to stay alive. Just that mother in the jungle, trying to fly for my child. But it's easier said than done. Cause I wanna be the best I can be for my son, cause it is greatness and beyond.
Like online.
Cause they see me smile, the tears that I cry, the pain that I feel deep down inside. But I know the summer from trying. But no, stop trying. But now the stop. From trying. Now when my back is up against the wall and I nobody to call upon, only thing we can do is say a prayer. But other than that, that's why me always drink my rum and smoke my weed just for fun. Only thing can get my mind get clearer. But Baby Blue. Them say everybody can sing, but not everybody a singer. You a singer? Yes. You a singer. I loved it, and you have such a soothing voice, and you put your all in it. You put your heart in it, and I respect that. You understand? I loved it. We all loved it.
Baby Blue, green light. Pick up your votes, them. Next up we go.